Pentecostal Network Pennet Program Thir tu te led by Swamping in Tibai Ule, Tungkar Tunga North East India UPC-NEI rawngbawlna chanchin thar thiri nilonghai thlang u. September ni liatang andinga Kohhran North East India UPC-NEI rorel na sang Executive Board fawang thut khom nei ani. Executive Board a hian Simtupui District Superintendent Reverend Thangchunga Sailo November ni swampanga sanghei swampakwa pensiona achwa adona wangin IO turin Reverend WL Thangshre Anruata Imphal District Superintendent Reverend Thangtin Liansingchon September ni swampasari sanghei swampakwa achwak tur IO in General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo Ruat anibok hengba ka hian General Headquarters Administration tungchang thupoi mo shangshang an ngai tua bok Board a hian half-year audit report clear how ania. Board member changa pension chhuak tu Reverend Thangchunga Sailo, Reverend Thangtin Liansingchon le, Reverend Lalramza Sailo tin hena thana thilpek le citation an hlan bok. September ni hi thortan zana tangkhan kuminata na beirwal thupui zirchan ani. Kumin thu zirbu thuthung fa te puitlin na ti hi Reverend Elik Nezawa Fanai ziani in abu chunga hian bungsom hi a oma thuthung fa te puitlin na tur kong shang thupuya siamin kaushan hoten kan hlok pui nge a base hle ani. Literature and Publication Board Chairman Reverend R. Larin Sanga chuan hele khabugal tlang hian hlongna le malsom na dom tak changtheu turin kaushan hote du sakna ahlana hun toite chunga zirzo mai lova in buatsaih na thatak nen uluk taka zir theu turin kaushan hote min ngem bok. September ni nga ni khan North East India UPC Driver Welfare te chuan Executive Board Leiden Chenin State Referral Hospital Falcon tan thisen an pe a hospital tan hen thisen unit sari an pe theya akal zongjong ten an pe the ni United Pentecostal Church of North East India Kaushan Huam chunga rawngbawlna license ko zongjong ten kumsang ni som hi atana license renew ahun le to awangin district le missions field Huam chunga license holder zongjong te license renew turin General Headquarters Office atengin General Secretary Reverend R. Larin Sanga chuan shiat tirna athon chuak ani. Renewal rate local license le Bible woman chengsom general license chengsom hi ordination license chengsom thum Vaireng te BLPYD te chuan kumtina anti thindan angin September ni li ni lai ni khan ASC home tan sum file mun phia somli panga an hlana bial chung PYD office bearer ten home hil to in bel to pastor kemal som tuangan a hau ani Government Scholarship College PA Department te po in ASC home hito in zirtian na anneya chanpuina an hlan bok District Sesawng rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thlak chhun jamila Aizawl East District chunga bial Sesawng te chuan September ni ruk zirtop jana tangkhan bial Sunday School in khompui an hmangtana pathiani zan hian atia kang Bial Sunday School in khompui a hian bial Sesawng te chuan inri ni hian mani bial chung in opna le district alutur agenda te ngai to in rorel in khom an hmanghloma Sunday School in khompui a hian naupang lamin malzai thule thu in chang recitation le group zai te in ti siak na nein bial chen khata chuan puitling lamin leng khom zai le puitling zirlai bo atangin quiz in ti siak na an nei ve bok bial chen khata chuan in ti siak na omlovin mid angin an hmang bok ani Tunin huna Aizawl East District chunga hian bial somthum ommekin puitling le naupang Sunday School mingziak sing khat le sangriat vel anom mek ani District Sunday School le Kaushampui Shwai tu ten heteng hian in khompui an hmanpui ani District Sunday School Secretary Evangelist HR Larin dika chuan mualpui bial ahmanpuia Treasurer Uparo Daila vazote chuan sakordai bial hmanpuin Ramman na ang chuan Reverend C Moizwala Director in Bongkon bial hmanpui turati ani a accident to awangin ahmanpui theitalo ani Kaushampui Shwai tu te Reverend Rosanga Colony District Superintendent chuan abial hui mek mualpui biala ahmanganga Reverend Biak Sangzwa Secretary chuan North Vanlai Phai biala ahmanga North Vanlai Phai bial te hian in khompui voisom rugna Golden Jubilee an manghal ani Treasurer Reverend Valel Filaram tiam chuan Bongkon bial ahmanpui bok ani Aizawl East District kumsom hi panga atlin Silver Jubilee souvenir chu September ni hi thortan ni khan District Headquarters back in Tlangzar ani Tlangzar ne inkhom hi Evangelist Laramzawa Souvenir Committee Convener chuan Kaishwain Reverend Daukhuman Hunser amanga upalal thomoya Souvenir Committee Secretary hian atangin report toy souvenir buatsaih ani dan debaka souvenir chunga thom tenga ithak ani a Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo General Superintendent chuan Souvenir Tlangzar na nein pathian hena tongtain a hlan ngalani Reverend Lalma Somasai lo hian souvenir buatsaih ani chulom om tia ziak athil da that apoi mo thu ngai thlagani he huna hian Reverend Sesawng Kolni District Superintendent John Thu Soina nei bukin kalkhop te chunga lom thu asoya souvenir chhar theya pe ani na a lom thu asoi bok Dilzawl East District Souvenir Tlangzarna inkhoma hen unaw nulal din tharin te na tongin pathian fakhlanga ithlagni in Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary Chuan Tongtain inkhom atitop ani Dilzawl East District Silver Jubilee Souvenir Tlangzarna hian Dilzawl khapui chunga bial tu pastor te bial shangshang shwai tu te baka pensioner le department shangshang shwai tu te soman ni angin mi engemozat antel thei ani Souvenir hian Dilzawl East District Lopian Chwadante District Report baka Department Shangshang Chanchin te Pastor te Chanchin baka Thilsin Chha Thlak Tak Tak da ani Dilzawl East District hian kumin me Nuriat Khan kumsom hi pangatlin Silver Jubilee Churo pui takin alo lom to a heta hian souvenir hi tlangzar ni lovin tuna hian mi pui de chhiar thei turin tlangzar alo ni ta ani Dilzawl East District PYD Zai Paul Pentecostal Choir te chuan August ni somni pakwale ni som thum chungkhan District Headquarters Sunday School Hall retreat an nei retreat hi zan lama man thin ni in Evangelist Silal Chwanga Chairman Music and Sound Committee chuan kai shwai thinin Reverend Arlatlan Kima District PYD President Nena Tongin Thu Soi ngai thlak thin ani a he huna ham Pentecostal Choir member te Antel Kim Thokatin sharing hunte man thin ani Dilzawl East District PYD Nwaya Music and Sound Committee te buatsaih Music Zirna School Pentecostal Music School te chuan September ni hi thotan atang khan kumsang he som pukwa session tan class antan leta class tran ni thotan ni hian inkhom toy Evangelist Silal Chwanga Chairman Music and Sound Committee ka shwain nei ani a heta hian music school alu tur te sha tur poimo chi shang ngai thlak ani baka Reverend Arlatan Kima District PYD President chuan fu in thu thatak tak soin music zir tur te chu thanem ngai taka zir tur te an thiamna kaushan ta na mangnei tur cha in pathian hena music school hlanna anei khal ani Pentecostal Music School hian kumina hian tonic solfa baka keyboard le guitar zir tel turati ni in mi somli chuangin tuna hian class ankal mekani he music school hian Dilzawl East District PYD member chau nilovin district dang atangpu in zirlai anom boka instructor tan Evangelist F Lesang le unaw pa Nelson KVL chandamate man ni in class hizing kara September le October thachung ankal chim don ani he music school hi kumdang apo kalpui to thin ni in tonic solfa chau zir thin ani a kumina hian keyboard le guitar zir thei turati changthun ni in kum local le tura ti changthun chhauzel tura ruah man na siam mek ani bok he music school ateng hian mi engemazatin an lo zir chhuak to ani August ni somthum pakhat inrin ni khan Thingsulthliah Bial Sesawng Naupang Sunday School te pualin lang camp buatsaih ani he huna hian Apostolic Herald Revival Team Speaker Evangelist Vanelra Sakale Team Member ten rawngbawlna an neya langkem ba hian tharau thianghlim dong thar mi somhli pariat omin September ni khat pathiani zan khan swanga idamna baptisma mi pariatin an chang bok ani langkem ba hian naupang engim bozat telin tharau thianghlim ompuin hnuai hlim takin hun an mang ani Evangelist Vanelra Sakale Team Member di hian August ni somhi atang khan Sesawng huna hian rawngbawlna an neya zingle zanlama kaushan intina kutha tongtraina an nei china chunlam le hun oldanga pathian thulama kom turte jong pualin an kom china rawngbawl tu ti hian Sesawng hian rawngbawlna an la nei chunjom zel don ani Upper Republic Bial Sunday School Department te buatsaih August ni somthum pakhat inrin ni khang college bank playground na Bial Hop Sports hlim omtak an mang he huna hand sport items chu shangshangin inti hlimna nei ani a Bial chunga tengin member chanhem takal khomin college bank Naupang Sunday School pakhat na anni August ni somni pakhat ni lai ni khan Upper Republic PYD ti chuan ankum somni pangana tin Silver Jubilee pualin Straight Referral Hospital Falcon huna manatan thutleng sei panga an hlana he huna hian Upper Republic PYD shwai tu te kalin hospital how tu ten an lo dong song ani Ruang manda ang chuan September ni sompali inrin hian charity right nein ASC homa tanpuina an hlan le don ani August ni somni pariat ni lai zan khan Lunglei Bial leng kaushana swanga edamna baptisma mi pakwain chang tharin anjinga pakhat hi kaushan dang ani a senglu ngala ani leng muna hian Evangelist HMS Zongkimat le team member ten rawngbawlna an neya leng muna hian Evangelist HMS Zongkimat le team member ten rawngbawlna an nei ani Kolkul Vengthara August ni somni pariat ni lai jan khan mi pathumin swanga idamna baptisma changin anji kam pathe hi kaushan danga changin anni Evangelist Valaram nga moya rawngbawlna Bethlehem Bial Harmon Venglui kaushana po August ni somni pugwani nga jan khan mi pathe in swanga idamna baptisma anjanga anjinga pakhati kaushan danga changin ani Evangelist Valaram enga rawngbawlna Thingsulthliah Bial darlong huna po mi pathumin September ni khat pathiani khan swanga idamna baptisma changin mithar pali kaushana senglu ani August ni somni pariat ni lai jan po khan jong hun bial du pastor Bilan Mingle na chuan jong hun kaushana loi turin mithar pakhat kaushana senglu na anei bok Khobung Bial samthanga Evangelist Lenming Moya rawngbawlna kaltangin September ni khat pathiani chunu khan mi pani in swanga idamna baptisma changin pakhathi mithar ni in kaushana senglu ani Evangelist Lenming Moy hi Bazar Bial Missions Department in August chung ramutura anroi ani Chimtuipui district chung local shangshang ta chuan September ni khat pathiani khan thlai thar kut an manga local train khat chuan changroi nen mangin kaushan hoten pathian faknan le infui tharnan hun an mang ani September ni sari inrin ni khan tuipang vi local LED te buatsaih in leadership le bu fai tham te thupuya mangin seminar nei ani a resource person atambial to pastor MH Robinal Than Moile upa bi dingliana Bial secretary te Ryan LED member ten an hlokpui le ani September ni sari atangani ria chunghian chimtuipui district PYD chuan evangelism tour thokhatna akalpuya hetura hian south lungpher bial Bial le new atlang bial PYD shwai tu te an fe chhuak dona team he in training team khatna ten bolpui NG local bolpui NG bial a rawngbawlna an nenga team hi na ten tuipang L local tuipang bial a rawngbawlna an nei ve thung ani September ni riat pathiani hian Reverend L chunglinga lekha buzia ka rawngbawlh chunga pathiamal somna kadon le ka thil ton ti chu college bank local biak ina Reverend Thanchunga Sailo district superintendent chuan atlang zar don ani September ni riat pathiani hian kumsang ni somni district missions conference khenna tour new atlang local district missions director Reverend Dr CC Mole district secretary upa John VT ne hute chu an fe chhuaka conference khenna tour ta na thil tur shangshang an boy pui don ani Lunglei West District rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thavele ila Lunglei West District Superintendent Reverend R Dilzawl chuan September ni thumatangani rukchung khan Dilzawl Executive Board nein hun amang District Secretary Pastor Lalswam le Sailo chuan September ni riat pathiani hian Lunglei College Bank kaushana rawngbawlna aneyang District Missions Director Reverend F Lalbiak Trauma chuan pathiani zinga chamari kaushana hun mangin Zanlama Council Veng a rawngbawlna anei thungang Lunglei District rawngbawlna chanchin August ni somthum zirtom ni khan Lunglei District in book room asiam thar Pentecostal book room Lunglei District to Literature Committee Chairman Reverend Ralkap kunga khyang te chuan pathian hena hlanin ahong book room honhei District Secretary Reverend PC la fakoma chuan kai shwaya District Superintendent Reverend C Vanal ena chuan thu soina nein Literature Committee Chairman Reverend Ralkap kunga khyang te chuan honna anei chunzom ani he book room hi Literature Committee ten District Board a siamni setia angen angin District Board Committee in apompui nuwa chaktaka mala in Lunglei District UPC Office a siam ani a lekhabu thatak leitur a chhop chhuak ngal ani he book room tlangzarna hian District UPC Office staff te baka Literature Committee member sele town area abial to pastor te antel ani September ni thi thortan ni khan Lunglei District UPC Infam Veng Rama Quarters an Sakchu District Superintendent Reverend C Vanal enan pathian hena hlanin ahong Quarters honna nei nuhian quarters chunga hunman ani a District Treasurer Reverend C Larin tuanga chuan ka shwain upa zawram dinaral te Building and Property Board Chairman chuan quarters sakdan report ape a District Superintendent Reverend C Vanal ena District Secretary Reverend PC la fakomaten thu soina nein pupui bel to Pastor Reverend PC khangena chuan tongtai ne in hun top akhar ani Quarters honna hian office thok tu te baka town area bel to Pastor te antel thei ani September ni sari le nuria chunghen Lunglei District Missions Director Reverend R Vanal enga chuan District Missions Field Board pui vi a rawngbawlna anei don Bolpui via hian Evangelist R la ro khom chu home missionary in ommekani Lunglei District Thiang Himna Committee te chuan local Sesawng campaign an nei mek zela September ni khat pathian ni khan campaign hi moliam pui lokala nei ani a District Secretary Reverend PC la fok oma chuan chuma in khom le chon hulama seminar nei a te hun mangin zanlama District PYD President Evangelist Vilal du oman thu soin zai thiam HC lal exam chuan campaign nei chu hian zain rawngbawlna anei thin ani September ni khat pathian ni khan hawlong bial thiang hlimna committee shwai tu de chuan bial chung local Sesawng thiang hlimna campaign an nei bok September ni riat pathian ni hian chong tuisau local campaign hi an nei le dona Evangelist la lom siam le thiang hlimna committee secretary Evangelist Tila zom sanga ten hun an manganga HC lal examin zain rawngbawlna anei bokang September ni khati jose ani angin Lunglei District UPC-NEI Kol Christian Education Center CEC School chuan ti jose hi an mang ti jose manna inkhom Vice Principal Evangelist Lerin Moya chuan ka shwaya Principal P Samson Vanel Fela chuan thu soin student te atongin solo group zai lamle special item hunom tak clear how ani a student te hian zirtir tu the thil pek an hlan bok September ni khat pathian ni khan sertlang pui bel LED ro rel bo zuin Trump pui lokala thiang hlimna seminar nei ani a member som thum vel an kal khoma resource person atam bel the pastor ti zaming le na chuman ni in he huna hen LED mai ba ka rongbol tu upale tir kauten an troi om ani September ni khat pathian ni jang khan Trump pui lokala mi thar pakhat kaushana senglu ani a puk pui lokala po mi thar pakhat pathian ni chuna khan senglu ani bo Thingsulthliah Bial chung bol pui H le tarpho local te chuang kumtina anti thin angin September ni khat pathian ni khan thlai thar kut an mang bol pui H local te hian an thlai thar kut manakal zela September ni thotan ni khan wai the in hlim takin hun an mang chun zoma tarpho local te pon zai khomna te nin hlim takin hun an mang ve bok tarpho local te hi bel to pastor H la lom sanga chuan man pui ani Thai thar kut hi August ni somthum pakhat inrin ni khan cher hlun lokala bo man ani a kaushan hoten an thai thar nei ang king khomin suma chantir ani a cheng engemaw zat an hmuchhuak ani zai khomna tenein hlim takin hun an manghal ani August ni somthum zirtop jana tanga September ni khat pathiani jan thleng khan bung hun bial le then hlum bial de chuan se somveng sak lokala join revival hlim takin an mang He revival I han upala keva bung hun bial Sunday School Director Evangelist Rohlupuya Chalhun Laisural Home Missionary Evangelist Pilal hun thanga then hun bial Secretary Pastor PC Zai onram moya then hun bial the Pastor Upasi la hlupuya then hun bial Treasurer le Pastoral engza wa bung hun bial the Pastor ten thu soina an nei thin ani He join revival a hian then hun bial atang mi khwal som kwa velan kala bung hun bial atang pu member thanem tak an kalbok Chair Lunglei Missions Department te chuan September tanga November thachung hian new hardship lokala rawngbawlna nei ni se tia anrel bo zuin September ni khata tang khan rawngbawlna hi nei tan ani a rawngbawl tur hian unaw pala roki machangte theiriat lokal chu man ani August ni somthum zirtom ni khan siphir bial PYD te chuan bial conference rel bo zuin Moltram Electric Local Sunday School Hall mamo tu te manatan thisen an pe a thisen hi civil hospital Lunglei thok tu ten amuna kalin an lak chil ani Siphir bial te hian thisen hi unit somthum paruk an pe a mipa somthum pakhat le meichhia pangain an pe ani September ni nilai ni khampuk pui local te chuan an Diamond Jubilee September ni kwa lo thleng tur lom nakal zela Christian Hospital serkona man turin thisen an pe bok September ni nilai jana tang khampuk pui local te chuan September ni kwa thotan nia an local Diamond Jubilee lo thleng tur hlim taka an man theinan crusade an buatsaih Speaker atan cheng pui Home Missionary Evangelist Simon Amar an manga lel ngil nein zai rawngbawlna nein ahman pui bok he crusade hi September ni riat pathiani jan thleng man ani ang North Mizoram District chanchin ngai thlak chun jamila North Mizoram District Huamchung Home Missions Field Dilzawl Missionary Quarters chu September ni khat pathiani khan District Missions Secretary Evangelist RK Banangayan pathian hena hlanin ahong Dilzawl Missionary Quarters hong turhian aizola tungin Evangelist RK Banalngaya District Missions Secretary le District Missions Staff Tual upa H thantuang atikalin Lengpui Bial Missions Director upa Raudai Lavale Lengpui Local Missions Treasurer unaw nu ma diditen antroy ombok quarters on program hi September ni khat pathiani chuma inkhoma tanin Dilzawl Missionary Evangelist HL Nunziran inkhoma kai shwaya District Missions Secretary Evangelist RK Malangayan rongbawlna nein kaushan hote fuina thu thatak tak asoi ani inkhom bana missionary quarters honna inkhom nei chunjom ani a quarters pon lama inkhom toy mangin District Missions Secretary Evangelist RK Malangai chom pathian thu siarin soizawna aneya chuminua Dilzawl Missionary quarters sulalpa iswakri samingin ahongta ani tlailama quarters harlomna rai kaushan hoten an kil hobok ramud report changshang ngai thaila North Mizoram District khwam chunga ramud chunga member thar nei tamna ber rawngbawlna bial tumpang lui khwa ramut program manchu pathiani kalta September ni khat khan khar ani tarlan to angin tumpang loi khwa hi Pentecostal omlo na khwa ani a August ni riat khan he khwa hian ramuturin rongbol tu te unaw nu JL1 kimi speaker unaw pa pol ram beiseya unaw pa lal ompuya unaw nu le shat kimile unaw nu sangnu ni te lutin rongbol na anneya ramut than man chungin September ni khat thleng khan Pentecostal na mithar zale paruk senglu ani tumpang lui khwa ramud rongbawlna hi September ni khat khan kharni in kaushan hote and kozri an awangin rawngbawlna bial missions department in District Missions Department hera rongbawlna tu da chunjom turin ngen na athlena District Missions Department executive meeting September ni somni pukwa nei chuan rawngbawlna bial missions department ngen na chungai to in September ni khat atanga thokchan turin unaw nu lashiat kimi konpui chu casual worker ta na da ngal ani North Mizoram District Revival Team Apostolic Revival Team te chuan August ni sompakwa atanga September ni khat chung khan hun tharbial eden thar kaushana ram mutha den chinin crusade nein rong an bola he crusade a hian ram bek chu thupui bera nein chunle zanjomin rong bol tu te himi ina legin pathian thu soipuina an nei thina mol in khom tum thum an nei bok an rongbawlna lalpan mal asoma Pentecost mi lani ngai lo chung ko khat member palile midang panhi anwain member paruk lalpan mithar rongbawlna tu te hi appe ani heng mithar te hi September ni khat pathiani zan inkhom khan team speaker evangelist Steve Vanalruatan kaushana lomlo na nein baptisma chanter ne hi August ni somni panga pathian ni khan anlo nei tir to bok ani rawngbawlna bial rawngbawlna kaushan de chuan mithar chung ko hi member pakwa omna chu an rongbawlna kaltangin Pentecost kaushana an senglut rawngbawlna kaushan de hian ramut tham mandan tur program mumal tak duangin chanchin thashil na warzo ka thokin an rongbawlna kaltlang hian heng mithar te hi pek an ni a September ni khat pathiani chuma inkhoma Pentecost kaushana lomlu na bel du pastor silal thengliana na neya Iswa Christian hena nawlan paruk anombaka inkhom bana mithar pani inswangai namna baptisma lalpa iswa bingin chantir ngal bok ani din tharbial PYD te thakal taram mutha manga samsui bial choilunga anram mutna chu ti topni in rongbawlna an nei chu ha member pathum an senglut din tharbial PYD te rongbawlna kaltlang hian August ni somni panga khan mithar pani anlo lomlut to a rongbawlna kaljela pathiani kalta September ni khat chuma inkhoma khan evangelist Vanamoyan mithar pakhat dang lomlu na aneyani din tharbial PYD ten joilunga rongbawlna an nei chung hian sumsui bial missions department OB10 anron inkhom pui china din tharbial PYD te an lom hle ani Dampereng puibial chunga August sakal taram mutha chung kha mithar somthum panga kaushana an senglut heng mithar te hibel du pastor R Thanglurale district in a roi mek rongbawlna tu gospelary moyete baka district missions director Reverend Seal Thantuang ate rongbawlna kaltanga nei te an ni hloma rongbawlna tu te impact na hi pathianin mal asoma bial mi puite po an lom hle ani tlangsang bial le tlangsang kaushan tang ko paramut program kaljela August ni somthum pakhat inrini jangkha mithar som pakhat puitling parugle no pangpanga anwai member som pakhat chu bial du pastor KI nonan kaushana asenglut hemirwal hian naw pangale iswan hena hlan khal ani bok zomon tlanga hian September ni khat khan unaw palal thanda de chung kaushan secretary te chuan pathian choi moina nein pathiani chu mai inkhom bana member thar lomlu ten swangai damna baptisma chantir an ni a zan inkhoma member thar lomlu na nei le ngal ani bok ramut program atang hian member thar pali puitling panhi le no pong panhi lomlu an lo ni to a anwai member thar som panga an lo ni ta ani Sesawng Bial le Sesawng Kohhran tenera mu program an mana hian rongbol tu Reverend Silan Ming thangale afapa siram lumoete right ni in August som ni pakat khan ti dam rongbol na nein he rongbol na hian August som thum thleng aw ani arongbol na atanga choble chila dam na changhal mi som rukpali an ani he rongbol na wa hian atira jongin pastor ke aino na le una param thar moiten ria chilin an kai shwaya rongbol tu te hi missions field worker una nu f lesiam le ni quarters anin kul ani Mamit Bial chung high school ven Kohhran de chon ram mutla den chenin chandam na crusade an buatsaih Bial to pastor banal rata chu crusade speaker atan man ani Bial headquarters Kohhran po ram mutla den chenin rongbol to the group thuma in chenin home visit an nei china Kohhran ten an hlokpui hle ani Phaizawa po mithar pali Kohhran senglutin Bial to pastor kuta mi pathum in baptisma changtharin naw pakhat hlan ani Dam dia Bial Missions Department on Crusade buatsaih Home Missions Revival Speaker Tirkaulal thiang hima chu Crusade Speaker atan man ani a mithar pathum Kohhran an senglut Chaltlang Bial cha Maripi YD te North Mizoram District Missions Field Vongon Zobek in working ba ansak sumle manro in deluna awanga an cho san lailok chu remchang ma sabara chunjom atan cheng noi hi budget siamin malak le antum Chamari local BYD tem vongon zobek in sakna hi athokhat na August som pathum khan an lo chan to a biak in hi RCCS sa in aban le tai bim te chungzo to in remchang ma sabara chunjom le tum ani North Mizoram District rank de Bial Shipho Kohhran LAD chuan August som thum zirtomli khan Kohhran LAD atawin komsom nga antlena Golden Jubilee an mang Golden Jubilee lomna program hi chumadar soma chanin Shipho local LAD president Unau Sailo thongin in khoma ka shwaya Golden Jubilee lungphun honna reng de bel tu silal thleng anan neile in Jubilee lungphun honzo Jubilee darwang ni in biak in chunga bel du pastor silal thleng yana bek in Jubilee thu cha soin rongbol na anei bok in khombana Jubilee lomna roi Kohhran hoten an kil ho bok ani Ole khati zong khatun tumatana North East India UPC Kohhran rongbol chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak hole theite ni e